What is an algorithm? Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and welcome to today's video. I really want to start breaking down the fears and this mystical thing that is an algorithm. So this is a topic that I think I said I'm really going to start diving into because I want to really destroy any spookiness or any fear. I want to destroy the fear of what this algorithm word is. And also, if you've been here a while, you may be noticing something new that comes with old age. So you'll be seeing these probably from here on out. But those of you who are new here, the glasses are new if you're just finding us. And if you are just finding us in today's video, make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up for me. I greatly appreciate it. And also, if you've not checked down the Discord server down below, we have a growing community and a very, very supportive community. So if you're new to Python and you are struggling, you are in the correct place. So let's talk about an algorithm. So it is a set of instructions. That is it. Don't let anybody convince you otherwise. So let's use our isPrime function as an example of how to recognize if a number is prime or not. So the first set of instructions is we need to find out how we are going to move through a set of numbers. Well, a perfect example in Python, we create a set of numbers with the range function. Step 1. Step 2, we loop through said set of numbers. Step 3, we identified how we identify a prime number. If it has a number in between 1 and the number right below itself, it cannot be prime. So if it has a divisor in between 2, including, and also then including the number preceding itself, it is not a prime. So we are doing a condition statement. Then we have, so if that condition is met, then do a set of instructions. So that is it. Think about a flow chart, and it was in the thumbnail. You follow steps, then if a condition is met, then you either have another set of steps or an actual action. So right here, this is where the action happens. We return false if we find a divisor in between the two bookends. And if we do not find a divisor between the two bookends, that number is a prime. So we are going to be really focused on these topics, and next video, kind of the next level up from this. But I want to tear down this fear of an algorithm, of what it is, how to program, and that's kind of the hint. I want everyone who's interested in becoming a programmer or a problem solver, that's really all a programmer is. You're a problem solver. You know how to lay out a set of instructions, scenarios to solve a problem. You then turn it into whichever programming language you have. I ran into an example at work last week. We had this really wonky situation, and we're going to discuss it here. Yes, it's SQL, but it is a perfect example of problem solving and using the tools you have at hand. There we go. All right. Real quick video today. Please drop any comments, questions, video requests. Make sure you're jumping over to Discord if you're having any questions, or you're concerned, or you're not developing at the rate that you think you should. And we want to help with any of those feelings or challenges you are having. But the most important thing is thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.